Today we're going to learn several things that have to do with WODify, which is our data tracking program that we use in all of our PE classes. So let's just look at the standards in which we're going to teach to. We're going to be using technology resources to investigate given questions or problems. We're going to understand basic technology, hardware, and software in their applications. In this form, we're going to be talking about software applications. Your learning targets for today's students will be able to sign into WODify at the beginning of class. Students will be able to add a performance. Students will be able to log data from a workout, and students will learn how to view their workout history. All right, so let's go over to WODify then, and we're going to move this to another screen. So we'll go to WODify. When you check into WODify for class, this is the screen that you will come to. So it will have my name if you are logging in on the kiosk up in the corner. You will always want to make sure that the preference says just WODify up here. Some other preferences you're going to need to make sure that are checked. It should be on the coach board when you come to class, but a couple other things that you're going to want to do. Make sure that you are logged into the correct class. So the program that it pulls open to is the Staff Fitness. And then you'll just use the drop-down menu here to select which class you are participating in. So let's say this is an Intro to PE class. So there's no workout set up for today, but I can sign into class regardless if there is a workout listed or not. So to sign into class, I am going to click on the athlete box that's gray. Start typing my last name, and it will sort by preference. I'm going to click on myself and then hit the red Sign In Athlete button. You will then notice that the girls will come up on the right side and the boys will come up on the left side. It's not letting me sign in here. Maybe it's because school hasn't begun, so we will go back to the Staff Fitness program. So I'll sign in another athlete under the Staff Fitness program. So I will sign in Mrs. Young, my workout partner. So I'll sign her into class. You'll notice that her and I are on the right side. I can also sign in a male, and the males will come up on the left side. So this is the workout that was listed for today. Now we're going to learn how to add a performance. So to add a performance, you're going to hit this Add Performance button at the bottom, and then you're going to select the type, which all of our workouts are Metcon, metabolic conditioning workouts. You will need to know the exact name of the workout, so let's look up just Annie, because I know that's one that I've done several times. And then it will give you a description of the workout, and you'll hit Add. This will put it over on my account underneath the workout that was scheduled for today. So this is the workout that I did this morning that was scheduled for today, but let's say this afternoon I want to do another workout, so I add the workout Annie. When you click on the white part, the workout name that's white, you can enter in data. If you notice above, this one is gray because I've already entered in data for today. But we want to enter in data on Annie. So I'm going to click on Annie, and it will open up, and I can enter however many minutes and seconds it took me to complete the workout. So this would be your logging data part of your entry. The last thing we want to go over is your performance history. So if you hover over, if you have a, so if you notice, let me back up, there is no gray box right here that looks like a graph, meaning that I have no workout history of this workout that I did this morning. However, Annie, which I have done several times, there is a gray graph right here. So if you hover over it, it will give you all the workout history that I have ever done. So I've done this workout several times, and it keeps track of all the performance history from each workout. It gives me my best time ever, and it also gives me a place to make some notes. So it's a great tool to see where you started and where you've come from. So WODify is a great use of your time to log your information so that you can see how you progress in your journey in PE.